Oh my God, can you try this though?
Okay.
Cocktails! I have missed you guys so much. I feel like the last time we saw each other was maybe 2 years ago, 2 whole years. But we're back. It's a different kitchen, still Allison's kitchen. Come over here. So, surprise, we're not cooking today. I know that's different, but today we're making cocktails. I'm a gin girly, so today we're gonna make a gin martini. Not just a normal gin martini, we're gonna infuse it with Earl Grey tea, and we're gonna add an egg white to make it a little bit more creamy, smoother. I just love any kind of drink that has egg white foam. Bartender Allison activated. Here's what you'll need. Gin. I prefer drier gin, but you can use any gin you have. I also really like Hendrick's, but use whatever gin. Some simple syrup. Over here, you're gonna need lemon juice, an egg for the egg white, and then a couple tea bags of Earl Grey tea. So to start, you're gonna have to infuse your gin. It's really easy. All you're gonna do is pour a few ounces of gin, and then take your tea bags, and you're just gonna steep those tea bags for about 2 hours. You'll see slowly the color start to darken as the tea infuses. Once you let this steep for 2 hours, this should turn into something that looks like this. Okay, to assemble the cocktail, you're gonna take 1.5 ounces of your infused gin. I'm spilling. 1 ounce of simple syrup. 1 ounce of lemon juice. Always reuse your melon and get mini candle jars. Egg white. Oh my God, I didn't think this through. Please pre-separate your egg white before you do this. Don't do what I'm doing. And then a handful of ice cubes. Then we shake. Ta-da! And just like that, we have our Earl Grey Martini. Cheers. You get like the Earl Grey flavor is really prominent, but it's really smooth because of the egg white. This, dangerous. Like the infusion of the Earl Grey, it's so good. The lemon juice makes this drink so refreshing, but the egg white really just smooths everything out and adds like a really nice creaminess to this drink. This might be my new favorite drink. So good. It was so nice seeing you guys. I hope to see you guys again soon. Make this drink, get real drunk, have some fun. Bye.